Hey guys, it's Chris here, making more videos again. Today guys, we're gonna be installing possibly the brightest LED reverse lights I've ever installed. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, we're going to be doing this on the Highlander because the Genesis already has these beautiful white premium LEDs right here, and they also turn these return signals. They're like switchbacks back here. In fact, I can't even install it on that bad boy, and they look great just as is. However, these on many vehicles, Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, Highlander, any kind of these vehicles that are not the luxury premium brand, they tend to have yellow bulbs for reverse lights. That's where we come in to make it nice, bright, and white. Now, I do have LED bulbs in here already because, you know, however, you guys always want something brighter, better, so I think these bulbs might do the trick. Now the bulbs are inside. First thing first, just make sure where the bulb that you're replacing is going to be, and in my case is right here. Reverse lights are one of the easiest things to change out, guys, and I recommend you changing out. Gives it a more premium look when you're backing up and stuff like that. And also, if you have a backup camera, it just looks much better, much brighter than yellow halogens. Let's open this bad boy up right here, because obviously we're looking at these bulbs right here, and we're gonna have to go on the underside to get to them. But first, let's take a look at the actual bulb itself. So it comes in a package like this. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, look at this bad boy. So nothing else in the box itself, because it is self-explanatory as to what you're getting and how to install it, guys. I mean, it's plug and play. You guys already know me. If you've been watching my channel for a while, I love plug and play stuff. Okay, let's slowly take one of the bulbs out because the other one is the same exact thing. Look at that, guys. It's from this company right here. I'll have the link in the description below. Do not worry. But look at all of these LED chips right here, guys. You already know this is going to be extremely bright. Most vehicles use 921 bulbs for their reverse lights. This bad boy is 921. Honda Accord also uses 921. So it's exactly the same thing. Let's go install this. Nothing else to it. You can see the wedge type male connector right here. And yeah. Nothing else to it. Let's actually install this bad boy. Okay, so I'm gonna place the bulb right there, and I'm gonna show you how to do it on a Highlander. Now, in every vehicle, it's the same exact thing. You're gonna have to take some kind of cover off, whether it be felt cover like this, and or plastic hard cover like this, and it's extremely easy to take off. In this case, guys, you use some kind of pry tool. A lot of people don't have pry tools, so I'll just use a screwdriver, and you pop this bad boy out. Once you get part of the corner using the screwdriver, as you can see right here, basically you just put your finger in there and pull it out. You're not gonna break anything, don't worry, as long as you do it extremely carefully, not yanking too hard. And you can see it just comes off like so, and you're done. It's 4 clips for the Highlander. Like I said, on other vehicles like a Honda Accord, it's even easier because it's just stuff material like this, carpet material like this. Next, if you want to change these bulbs, you got it. You can change it to red, but in this case, I'm going to be changing these bulbs. First things first, I'm going to be pushing on the tab right here and then pulling this guy out, and you'll be able to see it. You can see I'm pushing the tab right there. So let's push it down and pull it out. As you can see, it just comes off easily, and you turn this in a counterclockwise motion and you just yank this bad boy out. Now, do not yank it too hard. Yank was not the right term for that. Make sure that the original bulbs that come with your vehicle are safe. Now, in this case, guys, I have these bad boys in here. Yours will most likely be the yellow halogen bulbs, like old school bulbs. And all you have to do is the same exact process. You just basically pull it out like so, because these are wedge type bulbs. As you can see, pulled it out. Place your original bulb somewhere safe because you don't want to lose them just in case, and then put these bad boys in like so. You can see, easy step, click, done. It's a nice wedge fit. It doesn't fall off or anything, and you're good to go. So now go back to the hole, put it in, and then twist it clockwise into place, as you can see, and you really are Gucci, guys. That's how easy it is. You twist it clockwise and you just plug this guy in. It's probably one of the simplest modifications you can do to your vehicle in terms of lighting and back here, guys. I mean, plug and play, everything like that, and it gives it a much more premium look. Next step, basically put this bad boy in. As you can see, slide it in. Your vehicle will be similar, whatever, slide your felt in, whatever, and you are done. That's it. Now, one step before I actually put everything back in, I like to test it out just to make sure it works so I don't have to redo this. Make sure you guys do that. That's definitely a pro tip right there. Okay, let's close this guy. Let's close the garage door, and let's see how these bad boys look in the dark. A lot of people are asking me also, how do I have my reverse lights on with me filming back there and not having anyone right here with the foot on the brake? I use the handbrake, guys, and I do not turn on the vehicle. So yeah, first step is make sure the handbrake is on, which it is on in my vehicle. Put your vehicle on the on position. Do not have to start the car. Put your foot on the brake and then put it in reverse. and you're done. As you can see, it's in reverse right there, and oh my goodness, look at how bright these bad boys are. I'm gonna turn off the light. Guys, the yellow bulbs that you might have in your vehicle, they're not gonna be this bright. Let's go check it out. Alrighty guys, we're approaching the back area right here, and look how awesome these lights look. They are insanely bright, guys. Oh my goodness. No, this is not the front of the vehicle, even though it looks like I'm doing a front review. This is the back of the vehicle. Oh my goodness, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Extremely bright, guys. Let me go to the other side and show you as well. These are definitely on par with the brightest bulbs I've seen. I don't want to say that they are brighter than the brightest I've seen because I think they are on the same level, guys. However, they have a different style. A lot of housings require a different style to reflect the light better. And in this situation, I love the fact that it's a cylindrical style, and so it takes advantage of all the reflectors that are actually in here. That's why it's giving you, look at this. Look at this. This is not even funny how bright this thing is. It's giving off, like, it's so bright it feels like it's giving off heat, but it's not. The cylindrical style of this bulb definitely takes advantage of all the reflectors, just like an halogen. Okay, so that's why the output, it's a lot fuller, and you know, and what you would expect in a halogen, just white, premium looking, and bright. And that is what I like about these cylindricals. I think I'm gonna leave these cylindricals LEDs on because of how full they actually look compared to other bulbs I've used in the past. Alrighty guys, now it's time for rating. In terms of how bright these things are, cylindrical shape, and also the color output, just pure white, no tint of purple and or blue. A lot of people have those issues. I'm gonna have to give these bulbs a solid 9.5 out of 10 because these things, in terms of reverse lights, are hitting all my strides, guys. I'm absolutely in love with this thing. They're definitely staying on this vehicle right here, and I know you will love them. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything is going to be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of those lights and if you want to see other lights. But if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Other than that, guys, keep your cheers saying thanks for watching and peace.